Maybe I am guilty for the things you've left undone. I don't know. Oh, maybe I am the scratch on your knee not healing. But when your mother gave you away, you just couldn't say a word. Welcome home. Now the world looks new to you, but it turns faster, way much faster, like you said. Sometimes you pretend, sometimes you just forget. As pages are turned over, but some lines remain in your mind through the test of time to carve their way into your old goodbyes. Da da da.
Köszönöm.